In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your videos pop with fun text and emoji animations in CapCut. We'll break this process down into easy-to-follow steps so you can add an extra layer of creativity to your projects. To get things started, you'll want to open CapCut and begin with a new project. This will be our main workspace. Once you've got your project open, the next task is to import the video you want to work on. Do this by dragging your video file straight into the CapCut timeline. This timeline will serve as your playing field where all the magic happens. Now that your video is set, look towards the top of your screen, click on Text in the main menu, and then select Add Text. This is where you'll input all your creative captions. Simply type your text content directly. If you want to bring a bit more personality into your design, you can easily add emojis. You can do this by pasting them directly into the text box, or using keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press the Windows key plus the period key, and for Mac, you can use Control plus Command plus space. With your text laid out and stylized with emojis, it's time to animate them. Make sure your text is selected, and then move to the Animation tab. Here you can browse through various animation styles. You can select from in, out, or loop animations to add some life to your text and emojis. These animations define how your text appears and disappears or loops during playback. For even more dynamic movement, consider using keyframes. Keyframes allow you to customize the motion, including adding effects like bouncing, which can really make your text stand out. This is particularly useful for creating a flow that matches the rhythm or mood of your video. Next, adjust the duration of each animation so that it aligns with your video's timing. Properly timed animations can enhance viewer engagement by reinforcing the narrative or beat of the video. For a touch of glow and style, increase the blur and opacity of your text. Doing so gives a glowing neon effect that can catch your audience's eye. For an additional flair, incorporate a soft glow or flicker animation. This can be found in the Loop Animation tab and adds that little extra artistic touch. There you have it. You've now learned how to integrate captivating text and emoji animations into your video projects using CapCut, giving them an exciting, professional edge. By experimenting with these tools, you can create engaging content that stands out on any platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore these functionalities in your next creative project.